Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And I know I promised you guys to show you a couple of the clothes that I'm going to work on. So I have a show at Southern Connecticut State University, and I just went to get some fabric. Joshua, I don't want to end my stuff. Anyways, let me show you guys some of the sketches. Y'all know I can't sketch really well, so this is just a pants. I don't know what I'm doing with the top yet. I'll figure it out as I start cutting. And the plaid is gonna be down here. This is a blazer dress with plaid stripes, polka dots, and all that good stuff. A jacket, suit with patches on the leg. This is a dress. I know all of this is not going to be in one, but just to give you guys an idea, this is not done filling in. It's too much. So you guys see, you see the finishing touch. Anyway, so I'm going to start with these two. You can see it. Perfect. I'm gonna start with these two, which is the pants, and then I'm just gonna show you what I have. This is the pants. This goes on the dress along with this. Okay. And this. I fell in love with this, so I decided to put it a part of one of the pictures. I don't know what to do with it, but I'm gonna fit it in. And then I have this. And one of the girls in the scene, she's Chinese, so I wanted to be extra. And I really like this fabric because the collection that I'm doing, well, my scene that I'm doing is like a Christmas, New Year's type thing. And I think this has a gold sheen with a blue. I don't know if you'll see it in the camera. A gold and a blue with a dark purple in it. It's like a midnight colors. So it'd be good for like a New Year's Eve, New Year's type look. And then it just has the gold to enhance it. And then I have this type. All shimmery for New Year's. So just stay tuned. I'll be doing some cutting notes. As I said, you won't see everything step to step. You just see. So I'll show you as much as I can. And then I have this as well too. So let's get started. So I had to relocate to my living room because my station right now is full of stuff because mommy doing some stuff and she's all the time. Anyway, I'm cutting out the bottom part of the pants. I measured 29 inches going down. See, you're like right under the knee. So I'm going to finish the rest here. So what I'm gonna do is that the length that I'm going for is 45. So I'm just going to add a couple more inches to it to make it 45, which is going to be 29, around 15 inches. Should be 15 inches long. You probably wonder if you got a boo-boo. But yeah, it should be 15 inches long. Yes, baby? Got a boo-boo? Let me give it. Alright, all better now? Alright, I don't know if you're seeing it, but I measured my 15 inches this way, and then I'm going to cut it long way because I need as much to go around the leg as possible to look fluffy to make my pleats. So I don't know how long I want it, how wide I want it. Joshua, stop. So this is going to be what, 15 inches. I have to try to cut it on the line of a plate so it don't mess it up. See that? It can mess up the back. But oh well. It won't make that much of a difference. I'll just cut it properly next time. I'm pretty sure I probably don't need this. So I'm going to start sewing the first outfit, which is the pants. Well, the pants for the first outfit. I'm actually using my brother machine. That's the regular machine to do the finishing. I have my serger over there, but I rarely use it. Well, not for shows. And I'm still working on to use it better and learning different ways of using it. But for now, I have to work the harder way and use a regular machine. So I'm going to sew the first one. Machine probably I want, I don't know. I hate when this happens. This is actually supposed to go on the serger, so it's gonna chop off a lot. It's not so bad. So when it keeps falling off, I just make it stand still and I can't bother. I really can't bother, it just stresses me. So this is the first stitching. Fabric stitch. So guys, just arrived at a show. I didn't show you guys the rest when I wasn't making because I had to rush, but I didn't show you deals and some there. This the button them not even going on this set. This is my favorite. Just there. And hi supporters, hi sisters. So I didn't dress up today. No makeup, no nothing, face rough, same way. Normally I plan heels to walk out, but I am not today. I'm just mad simple. No weather. I'm in Jamaica. But to here, no nothing. Ready for the show? But I have to know. Yeah, good. I have to know, but design them speaks to themselves. So the designer do not have to dress up. It's okay. I'm fine. Your mama sure. Kim, big up the vlog. Yeah. Yeah. Hold them. This is Lauren, one of my favorite models. I don't only model, but shop.
Don't model, shop, MTS
every day. Alright, good. No, but she is a beast though. You'll see in the show because I have a little video. Alright, good.
We're dancing on the 1 and 3 up here like the white folks. We never hate on them. But you see some people are counting them steps in them head, right? Enough work it takes to come up here now, so give it up one more time for them. So we got some pros coming up next. We have some real dancers